Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna, an aspiring Facebook media buyer. Today I'll walk you through the setup process for a Facebook ads campaign, specifically designed for lead generation ad for an online course. I'm going to set up one campaign with 5 ad sets and 1 ad per ad set. So let's dive into the Facebook Ads Manager. Let's get started. Leads, continue. On this campaign, I'm gonna choose the manual. Okay, so I have my assets already, so I'm just gonna change the name. It's gonna be cold. This is for the funnel, the top of the funnel. Subjective leads for online course, and the name of my campaign. I'm gonna add dates 21, 20, 25. Next. So instant form. For this campaign, the conversion location is instant form. Ad set name. Okay. For the ad set name, interests. And then the interest is digital marketing. Okay. Instant forms. Facebook page. $10 is the daily budget. And then on January 22, the ad should start at 12 a.m. No end date. Audience location United States. Page. Here I'm just gonna switch to original audience option. The reason why I do that so I can see, and I have several options like this. 18, so my ad set says 25 to 45. And then the detailed targeting is digital marketing interest, online learning, interest, and entrepreneurship. So we're done with the ad set. We're gonna create the ad. Cool, thank you. The name of the ad, and this one is funnel, top of the funnel. Then create ad. I'm just gonna create ad. Okay, I'll create an ad. Okay. I have here my text, headline, and then sign up. Next, this is my ad, and then image animation, placement. Let's go back here and edit our placement. Okay, I'm gonna do manual so I can select. I'm using manual because my ad creative is not suitable for Instagram and for video. So I just need Facebook feed, profile feed, not video. Okay, or we can do that. That's fine. I think we're good. Next, we'll go back here. What's wrong? To placement. Let's go back to my placement. Remove that. We just wanted Facebook feed, profile. Okay, let's try. There's another one. Let's fix it. Let's go back, and maybe we're going to remove this, and we just need Facebook feed. Okay, let's try that. Okay, it work. All right, just need 4 placements. Okay, sign up. Click. I have a form. Well, I already created this form earlier, so it's here. But if I need to create one, I can just click here. This one is pre-created. This is how it looks like. So Facebook saved my previous form. Publish. Okay, that's it. So again, I'm going to create 5 ad sets and 5 ad per ad sets. So let's go back here. So over here it says schedule on their campaign. And since I'm going to create 5 ad sets, I'm just gonna click here under ad sets. And then I just figure out, just have to click here. And I'm not gonna use this because I wanted to create manually so that I have a full control. Original campaign, of course, original campaign, and I need 4 more. Duplicate. Let's start here. Okay, so this one is business growth. Okay, and the target audience is, let's go to same amount. I'm just gonna change the interest and the target audience. So this is 20 to 25. I guess I was like 30 to 50. I'm gonna change the age here. I'm going to remove all of it. And then add small business owners. Interest, demographic. Let's see. Small business owners. And then startups. Start. And next is business growth. Business finance interest location same, and then I'm using fewer than 6 placement rank cost per. That's all right. I just need 4 placement, so just disregard that. I'm good. My name, my ad set name, interest. Okay, publish, and then now I'm gonna next. Here is set number 3 is behavior frequent online shoppers. Online shoppers. Okay, same instant forms, 20 to 25, same time. That's 20, 25. I'll add this to 50. And here I'm gonna remove them. Let's see. Online shoppers. Engage shoppers. That. Then I just disregard this because I just need 4 for now. And then publish. So I need 2 more. Webinar and these the same location. The same. I'm just gonna add 55 broader. All gender. Okay. So for this campaign, it doesn't have a custom audience yet. So I'm just gonna go for a different one, a broader audience. Okay, shop admins, try for this one. And then courses online. Let's see. Okay. All right, that's fine. And then publish. Last one. Last one is it's a broad targeting of interest. Broad targeting. No interest. Location United States. I'm good with that. I think that's it. Publish. All right, we're done. So now I'm able to completely set up the one campaign. This is the campaign. I have 5 ad sets and 5 ads. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And if you find this helpful, please click the like button and follow for more.